Okay, lesson 1.8, we start talking a little bit about decimals and the decimal system. Um, so, oops. So decimals are, they kind of work this way. You know, you got your whole number part, this would be 1, your decimal to hold the place, and then you start working backward. You got tenths, and then hundreds, and then thousands, and then 10,000s, and then 100,000s. So if you were going to say this number, you would say 1 and 63 hundredths. So this is 6 tenths, and this is 3 hundredths, but together they would be 63 hundredths. But this is the tenths place and the hundredths place. So if you wanted to locate 1.63 on a number line, you'd do something like this. You'd start at 1, and then you'd go from 1, you'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because that's your 6 tenths, and then your 3 hundredths would be 10 little tiny ones of these, so that'd be somewhere in about right here. So 1.63, or 1 and 63 hundredths, or 1 6 tenths 3 hundredths, is going to be right about here. 1 6 tenths 3 hundredths. Anything can have a decimal representation. So your basic fractions, 3/4, you're going to take 3 divided by 4. And this, I did the long division here for you, but you see it equals to 0.75. So 3/4 is equal to 0.75. That's one you should try to remember. 1/4 is 0.25. 1/2 is 0.5. So if we were to estimate the square root of 2 to 2 decimal places, well, first we got to know what the square root of 2 means. It means whatever this number is times that same number is going to equal to 2. So to figure out what the square root of 2 is equal to, we're going to pull up our calculator, and then we're going to type in 2 square root, and there we are. So we want it to 2 decimal places. We're going to go with 1.41. If this were a 5 or more, we would bump this up, but 1.41. Now, what if you were asked to put the square root of 2 on a number line? So now we know it's equal to 1.41. All you're going to do is go to 1, then down 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and then 0.41, 1 4 tenths 100th is going to be right about here.